11:53, and there's a snow truck. I didn't get to record it fully because I just noticed it now. But yeah, here's outside like an hour later, and not much has happened, but I'm pretty sure in the morning there will be like a lot of snow, and then it will be snowing until like 2 o'clock, or might even change to like later. Alright guys, so it's 1:02 a.m. Another snow truck passed by. Too late to record it. But yeah. Yeah, it definitely has gotten heavier. This might be the last video, it depends when I go to sleep. If I'm still up at 2 a.m., I'll do a video at 2, and it depends how late I stay up until. Or unless maybe another snow truck comes, I'll do a video. But I was too late, and then the other one, I was kind of late, but I was able to capture it. Alright, so I said I'll show you the backyard. So here's this window. Yeah, it's, what time is it? 1:06 a.m. Alright. I'll show you the other ones now. Wait, is that a snow truck? Yeah. Just passed by. It's going over there. Show you the last 2 windows for the backyard. And here's the last window for the backyard. That's it. Alright guys, so it's 2:30 a.m. right now. This is what it looks like now. Snow truck came like I think a little over an hour ago now, and yeah. So it's already snowed enough. The road still is already like covered in snow. I think the snow truck's nearby. For like the brief second I just heard I'm pretty sure I heard it for like a brief second. It might be around here or something. Yeah, I hear something. It might be that. Alright, again, the backyard. Yeah, 2:32 a.m. It's probably gonna be my last video. I mean, unless I'm actually up at 3 a.m., which I don't think I will at this point. I'm not tired or too tired, but who knows? It depends. I might actually still be up in like an hour at 3 a.m. (2:32 a.m.) outside the window. 2:35 a.m. Now with the light on, garage light. Alright guys, so it's 2:53 and the snow truck's coming down here. The light just turned on. Oh wait, no, there's another vehicle over there. The second vehicle's coming down. Wow, that just knocked some snow off the tree right there. Alright, now it's coming down over here. Alright, that's it. 2:55 a.m. I'll make a video a couple minutes after 3, and then I think that's it. Alright, so it's 3:02. About to be 3:03. They just came back again to do the other street. But, you know, this will be the last video. So we'll go to the back again. Show you the backyard since the last video. So yeah, I definitely won't be awake for when they come at like 4 or 5 a.m. Snow trucks. You know what? I'll show all the windows, I guess. So why not? Just for the last video. Or 4 a.m. About to be 3:05. Sounds like the snow trucks again. Around the corner, maybe. But they're definitely not coming back here for, I'll say, another an hour. They're probably not even gonna be coming back until like 4, but yeah, they're definitely nearby.